What was it you told us? Super Saiyan 4 was primitive, and that you have no interest in transforming into something unsightly. Looks like you took it back. Welcome to another Fusion episode. Tonight, we're going to draw what Goku Black looks like as Super Saiyan Ros'e Super Saiyan 5. Yeah, I know, we saw on Super Dragon Ball Heroes that Goku Black had the ability, took on Super Saiyan Ros'e as, well, a transformation that looked like Super Saiyan 3, and then later it had Super Saiyan 4 hair on his Super Saiyan. It looked like a Super Saiyan 4 when his mask cracked and unleashed his true power. And then later it transformed him into something that was like Super Saiyan 4-ish. It was like Zamasu and Goku Black didn't fuse. Only this time, we're going to show you what Goku Black looks like as Super Saiyan 5. My buddy Tai, well, he came up with this idea for Super Saiyan Ros'e 4, which was a idea for Dragon Ball 100, a homemade reboots to Dragon Ball AF, and, well, it shows what Goku's great-grandson was in the future, and, well, he took on this transformation called Super Saiyan 5. Tai created his own form of Super Saiyan 5, but I prefer this one better. If you ask me, we've seen transformations like Super Saiyan 5 and Super Saiyan 6, but I think Tai's transformation should be known as Super Saiyan 7. Just a new transformation. After all, we saw Vegeta transform into Super Saiyan 6 back in Dragon Ball AF. And, well, Goku Black. Well, I saw this on Unreal Ed Gaming. It was a fusion of Super Saiyan 5 Goku Black and Super Saiyan Ros'e Goku Black, turning him into Super Saiyan Ros'e 5. First time seeing that, right, folks? Here's the tail. From what we heard, Goku Black from Super Dragon Ball Heroes came from a timeline before Zeno erased it. What I would have came up with was, if Vegeta asked, "How did you and Zamasu defuse?" And then Goku Black would be all like, "We didn't. It was the Game Master who put us in this new body, who gave us this new appearance. We fought against duplicates of Goku in order to master this body's potential. And we've done it 99 times. And there he is. That's how you draw Super Saiyan Ros'e 5 Goku Black. It's been a while since I've done this. Stegosaurus, see you later.